when you look at the commodity prices, we think commodities are reflating. If you actually look at a chart that takes you back to 2007, 2008, as we entered the crisis, the CRB index from the levels that it was at that point, which is about 19 different commodities, everything essentially from aluminum to zinc, including oil, and it includes gold, the whole bit. You'll find that is significantly off the top of my head, about 40% off from its highs. But now you've got reflation occurring from a point where we were practically looking at the potential possibility of a depression in March, which was being portrayed by some groups in the market. And now with the vaccines coming out, we've got a real opportunity to see a recovery in the U.S. and around the world. And we think its order books are filling up for commodities. And of course, there's always speculation that you add with it. But we think once we get back into that process of economic recovery, you'll find that there's plenty of commodities as a result of what technology has done for production and processing of commodities. You'll also find that inflation, in terms of the ability of companies to raise prices with impunity, even if their costs are going up, that's limited because of global competition and overcapacity in many industries. Labor is globalized and also faces robotics and algorithms, so it is less likely to demand extremely higher wages. We think inflation is not the issue, but you have to consider reflation is what we're working with. And we think it's a good environment for equities, not a great environment because of the competitive landscape. On the other hand, for many for fixed income at this time, we don't think yields are going to rise that much.
Yeah, I spoke with 3 port operators in the U.S. yesterday. They said that volumes were soaring, up 20, 30, 40%. John, quickly, is there any area of the market, though, where our viewers help us make some money before we say goodbye? What looks like a good value still to you and your team?
We've got to think industrials and financials look attractive, but don't give up on the growthier areas in technology. And we also think that consumer discretionary remains as something you want to own because people got to shop.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.